How to create an interactive game from scratch in InDesign. To create an interactive game, it's obvious that you need to have a plan beforehand. This is not just because it's part of the project creation process, but because with a plan, you won't waste much time when it's time to execute. With that in mind, create a basic structure of how your game will be. The theme, typography, colors, everything as you imagine it running smoothly and without any catastrophic design flaws. Okay, with that in mind, go to Google, search for Figma, create an account, and start a new project. Figma has various ways to help you plan, but you can also use paper, paint, or any tool where you can outline your ideas. Only after this, start the practical part in InDesign and the rest. Step 1. Planning and document setup. 1. Defining the plan and theme. Project objective. Create an interactive general knowledge quiz. Theme. General knowledge with categories like history, geography, science, entertainment, and sports. Basic structure. Start screen, category selection, questions and answers, immediate feedback, results screen. Typography. Arial or Helvetica for titles and categories, Times New Roman for questions and answers. Colors. Green, #4CAF50, 4 buttons and correct messages. Red, #F44336, 4 incorrect messages. Blue, #2196F3, 4 links and navigation buttons. Gray, #99E9E, 4 secondary text and background. Note, the choice of colors, typography, and other design elements is entirely up to you. Feel free to adjust them according to your preferences and the specific requirements of your project.
Violins cry, softly play, echoes of trees far away. Violins cry, silks collide in the stillness. Our hearts glow, lost in unknown, wonders unfold, cosmic embrace, stories untold. Violins cry, softly play, echoes of trees far away. Violins cry, silks collide in the stillness. Our hearts glow, lost in unknown, wonders unfold, cosmic embrace, stories untold. Under a sky, endless night, whispers of stars, galaxies bright, cosmic dance, silent flight, mysteries born.